So let's talk about inserting a video from YouTube with the oEmbed feature. So I'm going to jump over to my YouTube channel, which I did not have on that window. So let's just open up a new one. And I'm going to grab a video. So the only thing that you need to use is whatever the YouTube URL is for that video. And to find that, you would click on the video title. You don't necessarily want this one up here because it has the watch and some variables in there. So what you want to go do is come down here to share, and you're going to get this basically short link. We're just going to copy that and then pop back over into our post and paste it just like that. So if we update our post, and then we'll go take a look at that. We should see our video down here. And there it is. So it's popped in automatically. All we had to do is add that URL. So the one thing that bothers some people, and it's kind of a thing, is that this isn't centered. And you might think that all you would have to do is center the line that you're putting in that YouTube URL on. But that will actually cause it to not work. So if we centered this like so, and update, and then go back, and look at it, all we have is the URL. So this is not the desired effect. One thing that we can do is to make a little div around it. And I know I'm going into code talk, and that's not a thing that we had talked about doing too much. But so an easy way to do that, you're going to have to go over to your text side and find where that URL is, which is all the way down here. So first thing we're going to do is get rid of this paragraph tag that's around it so that it is again just on a line by itself. And then not on the line with it, but the line above it, we're going to put in a div tag. And we're going to do style equals, and we're going to put some inline CSS here. So we need to know how wide that video is going to display. And if we look over here, if we click to the share, we're started on the share this video part. If we click embed, it's going to show us the video size. It's 560. So we're going to do width colon 560 pixels and a semicolon, and then we're going to do margin colon 0 space auto. And what that's going to do is basically say I want to create a section on my site that is 560 pixels wide, and the margin, it's not going to have any additional margin at the top, and the auto means we'll make it centered. And so you do that above it, and then right below it we're going to put the closing div tag. And let's go update this, and we'll take a look again. And now our video is centered in the content area of your site. So that is the easy way to insert a video from YouTube with oEmbed. And there are a bunch of different oEmbed options available. So the same process would work similarly with other oEmbed features. And I will now let's go back to the post for the rest of the information.